Good day. How are you doing today, my fellow investors? I think I need to show you this video because I've sent you some videos earlier on regarding the Diamond Villa Phase 2. You know that the Diamond Villa Phase 2 is selling very hot right now, and this property is on pre-launch. Now I have to do this video because of those of you that may not be able to come and inspect the area. So I need to do this walkthrough video for you so that you can have idea of the development of the area. Now if you see this video I am showing you right now, there's a filling station here. This junction is called Omo Junction. I just quickly do this because it is this same road ahead of us. Like if you go down there, it's the same road that leads to Papa Land, so back to Ifo, then to Yanopaja and Ikeja axis. This same road that you are seeing right here, and this side is where it leads to. It take you straight to Mowe bus stop. And it is this side that we have the Trinity International College. We also have the Unilag Estate. Now the other side here, opposite this one, this side is where you have the Shagamu interchange. So this road leads straight to Shagamu interchange, and at the end of that road, at the end of this road, is where you have the Nestle Manufacturing Company, and just very close to it again is International Brewery. So let me just quickly show you something again about this area. So I'll just let me see. I have to take this drone so you can see how developed this area is. Now you can see these are estate. This is one estate in that area, from this place to this place. Now from this estate to the Diamond Villa is just about 10 minutes drive. It's about 10 minutes drive to Diamond Villa. Now, and a lot of estates in this area. So many estates, developed ones and the ones that are already springing up in this area. That's to tell you how developed this place is. You can see it's a massive project. Now you can see houses everywhere. Look at this place. It's already a developed town spreading across. Now this road you are seeing here now is the road that leads to Owode Obafemi local government, and it connects back to Abeokuta Road. Now that's not a major concern, but here we are. This is where we are talking about. Okay, now it is this same road I'm talking about that went straight to Shagamu interchange, and at the end of this road you have the Nestle Manufacturing Company. So from here to the Diamond Villa Phase 2 is about 10 minutes drive. Now this second road that I said it leads to Owode is the one that also leads to Diamond Villa Phase 1. So the Diamond Villa Phase 1 is inside this town. Exactly why the Phase 2 is just along this road. So you need to take your decision, the one you want to buy. And the beauty of this place is that it is easier for you to even get property that is very close to the road, because the development there is. Now look at this one also. Okay, this is the second road I said. This is Mowe town. This is the second way I said leads to. Just very close here is where you have the Trinity International College. I also have the Unilag Estate. It's this same road that leads straight to the Unilag Estate. You can see this is the filling station. So this is the filling station. In fact, the beauty thing about this place is that the only filling station in this area, from this place down to this place, down to the end of this road, that is the only filling station that we have here. This is the only filling station. So if you have a passion or you have a dream that you want to build a filling station, or you have a business line that you want to set up a filling station, I think this is the best time for you to take advantage of this road. Probably you also want to build a warehouse, you want to have a factory. Now you can easily get it in that area. In fact, the beauty of the Diamond Villa Phase 2 is that it's a massive land that gives you the opportunity to also own commercial plots. You can see how developed this place is. And this place is actually not a place that you have to buy and wait for the next maybe 20 years before it develops. No, it's already a buy and build aspect. So buy it now and build it. There's lights already. There is also water supply. And the beauty again is that it's a completely dry ground. So I'm going to show you some videos again. Precisely this area. Okay, let me show you the Trinity International College that is just some distance away from here. Okay, so this is the Trinity International College. You can see this is the Trinity International College. They've been there for over 30 years, even before the road construction was done in this area. Just beside it again is you have the Unilag estate. Let me show you the Unilag estate. Okay, so now this estate is owned. This is Unilag estate. Now this is an estate also, and this is the gate of the estate. Let me just take a little. Okay, this is the entrance of the estate, and what you are seeing, the building you are seeing here now are buildings inside the estate. You can see buildings. You can see the Unilag logo. So you can see the Unilag logo. So this is the Unilag logo. So you can see the Unilag University of Lagos. So this is the Unilag logo, and this inside it again, all these houses you are seeing are inside the estate. All right, so and this is the road that leads straight to, you can see how developed this place is. This road that leads to that junction where I will show you the initial drone video. So this where leads to, so on the right hand side here is where you have the Diamond Villa phase 2. Okay, so now right on ground is this is the road. You can see now this is just a normal camera video. So this is not a drone video, this is a normal camera video, and we are at the junction. On this side is where you have the Trinity and the Unilag. So this road is the road that leads straight to the Diamond Villa phase 2. Diamond Villa phase 2. Exactly, you can see that this road is currently being constructed by Dangote, and is a massive project that is transforming this particular area. So Dangote is the one doing the road. So you can imagine what this place will become in the next 2-3 years. So that is why you need to take advantage of it now that you can afford it, now that it's very, very affordable. So Diamond Villa is already on a pre-launch. The advantage of a pre-launch is that it is still selling very, very cheap. So even before the original price will be fixed, you would have bought your own. Even before there's a major work that will commence in the estate, you would have bought your own. Exactly. So that is the road. Or before that, let me also show you some other neighborhood that is very close to the area. Like I said, there are so many estates around that property. So we have so many estates around this area. This one of the estates is this estate, the Pastor Matthew Ashimolo estate. So it's also along that road, along the same road that leads to the site. So this is Pastor Matthew Ashimolo estate. This is a massive estate. Then I mean massive. Now the roads, the estate span from this main road that I'm showing to you now that leads to the Diamond Villa phase 2 down to the Mowe Ofada road, back to the Mowe bus stop. So that means invariably one can easily follow this place to Mowe bus stop also. So and that is one of the estates in that area. So we also have other ones again that I will show you.